Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Toyota Sienna DVD player. First, locate the DVD player, typically found in the overhead console or dashboard. Make sure your Sienna is safely in park before you begin. Gently insert your DVD disc into the slot with the label facing up. The system should automatically detect the disc and begin loading. This simple step gets you ready for entertainment on the go. Once your disc is loaded, you can use the remote control or the buttons on the console to navigate the DVD menu. Select your desired movie or episode and press play. Remember to adjust the volume to a comfortable level for all passengers. You can also fine-tune the screen brightness and contrast for the best viewing experience, ensuring everyone enjoys the show. To enhance your entertainment, consider connecting external devices like gaming consoles using the auxiliary input jacks. Many Sienna models also support wireless headphones, allowing passengers to enjoy audio without disturbing the driver. If you encounter playback issues, first check that the disc is clean and free of scratches. Also, ensure all connections are secure for uninterrupted viewing pleasure. Maintaining your DVD player ensures its longevity. Regularly clean the unit and keep it free of dust and debris. Always store your DVD discs in their protective cases to prevent scratches and damage, which can affect playback quality. For more great tips and product recommendations, including how to stay hydrated on your journeys with the Owala water bottle, check out the description below for links and other deals. Enjoy your travels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.